Hello again, second grade. We are going to have a quiz on Friday of the words we learned last week and the words we learned this week. So I wanted us to have a chance to practice some of the trickier words and some of our two-way words. All right, so first we're going to go over the two-way pronunciation of some of these words. All right, the word people. How do we say that to spell it? All right, I can't hear you. I hope you made it sound, you pronounced it as though there were 3 syllables. I hope you said People, because that would be just right. People. All right, so let's write those 3 syllables. Our first one is P. We're using E. The next one is O, A-O-U. And then in our third syllable, pull, you might notice we need something at the end. All right, so go ahead and write those sounds. Say them while you write them. All right, class, look at your word you wrote and marked. Hopefully it says People and it has 3 syllables. If so, you are definitely on the right track. This is what our word looks like. So when we're speaking, we only hear 2. To spell it, though, we have to give it 3 syllables and say People. So if this wasn't right, go ahead and pause the video, fix it, and then you'll know, oh, I got to practice this one a couple more times before our quiz on Friday. All right, our next two-way word is friend. Class, what's our word? Good, friend. So this one, we have to say it differently to spell it. How do we say friend? Tell me if you remember. All right, listen first and see if you were saying it the way I'm saying it. Fry-end. So friend, when we say it, usually we only have 1 syllable. To spell it correctly, though, we have to say fry-end. Say that with me one more time, fry-end. All right, the only tricky thing about this is which I we use at the end of the first syllable, fry. It's been a while, so I'll tell you, but you can say it with me if you know. We use I-E. All right, one more time, which I do we use at the end of our first syllable in fry-end? Good, I-E. So write that and say it while you write it, fry-end. All right, class, put your finger under the first, or wait, we're just reviewing. How did you, so we wrote the word friend, but how did you have to say it to spell it? Good, fry, end, just like this. All right, so make sure yours looks like this. One more time, how do we say friend to spell it? Good, fry, end. All right, our next word that's a two-way word is around. I ran around the park for an hour. Around. How do we say around to spell it? Good, we say around. Around. All right, and which ow do we use in the second syllable, round? We use ow, o, oo, All right, so write the sounds in a round. Remember your syllables and your markings and say the sounds while you write them. All right, when you're finished, put your pencil down. All right, this is what our word would look like. A round. It's missing one thing though. It needs its thinking cap. that we put over our letters when they're not making their usual sound. Where would I put my thinking cap? Excellent. I would put it on my a, because to spell it we say around, but when we're speaking, what do we say? Good, around. All right. Let's call that good for this session because those were some tricky words that we practiced. Let's just go over one more time the two-way pronunciations for them. All right, class, how do we say friend to spell it? Good, we say fry end. How do we say people to spell it? Good, we say people. All right, how do we say around to spell it? Good, around. Let's review one more two-way word. We won't write it. We'll just go over how we say it to spell it. The word is love. Class, how do we say love to spell it? Good, love. All right, nice job for this class. I'll see you in another video.